Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn about reversible changes and irreversible changes with few examples. Okay, so you can see I am having various things here like balloons, a sheet of paper, a boat, rubber band, rolling pin and board, dough, milk, curd, cooked rice, uncooked rice. Okay. Now with these we will learn about reversible changes first. Okay. So Dipesh, please tell me, can reversible changes be reversed?
Yes.
So as he told, reversible changes means the changes which can be reversed or in which we can get back the original substance. Okay. Like for example, okay, take this balloon, blow air into it. So he is blowing air into it. Now you can see that the size and the shape of the balloon is getting changed. See the size and the shape. Now please release the air from it. Now after releasing the air, the balloon again comes back to its original form. Okay. Now take this rubber band, stretch it. So, stretching of rubber band is also an example of reversible change, because once we will stretch it and then if we will unstretch it, we will again get back it in original form. So, the first example was blowing off balloon. That is an example of reversible change. Second, stretching of rubber band. Similarly, stretching of spring also can be an example of reversible change. Now, take the sheet of paper. Yes, if we will fold it, then by this sheet of paper, we can make this paper boat. So, here he has already made this boat. Now, let's unfold this boat. So, after unfolding, what you will see, we will get back the paper again. After folding, we get the paper boat. Only the shape and the size of the paper changed, but not its original form changed. See, again we will get back this original paper, or we get back the substance in its original form. So reversible changes means the changes that can be reversed or in which we can get back a substance in its original form. For example, I am taking the dough here. Okay. Now I am just rolling out this dough to make a circular thin patty. Okay. Now what you will observe? See, only the shape and the size of this changed. Only the shape and the size changed. Once I will just do like this, I will again get back the original dough. Okay. This means from this dough we can just form a thin patty. We can change its shape and size, but it will be in its original form until it will not be cooked. Once I will cook it, I will make the chapati from it. Then that cooked chapati cannot be formed into this original dough. Okay. For example, take this milk. Look at this milk. From this milk, we can get this curd, Dipesh?
Yes, Mama.
So, curdling of milk is an example of irreversible change, because from curd we cannot get back the milk again. Okay, from milk we can get back the curd, but from curd cannot be reversed back to milk. Hence, it is an example of irreversible change. Now, take this uncooked rice. Look at this uncooked rice. Once it will be cooked, we will get cooked rice. So again, after getting this, we cannot get back the uncooked rice, because we cannot uncook them once it will be cooked. Or we can take any other food items also. Once that will be cooked, we cannot get back the uncooked food. Okay. So this is also an example of irreversible change. So irreversible changes means
the changes that cannot be reversed.
Yes, very simple. Reversible changes means the changes that can be reversed. Irreversible changes means the changes that cannot be reversed. So what all examples we did here? Reversible changes, blowing of balloon, stretching of rubber band, making the paper board by this paper, okay, making a thin patty by this dough, okay. So these all were the example of reversible change. And what were the example of irreversible changes? Curdling of milk, cooking of rice and making chapati by this dough. If I will cook it, then by this cooked chapati I cannot get back this dough again, okay. So I hope friends now you understood about these changes, reversible change and irreversible change. So if you like this video, then please
Share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.
bye bye.